So this definitely was not staged here, right? By OnePlus. The OnePlus Open has not been released yet, has not been in the wild yet, has finally been spotted in the wild by a famous movie star. So, an Indian movie star, Sharma, was spotted by a plaza using the OnePlus Open. The Open is the company's first foldable phone and is unreleased, and Sharma appears to be never have to appears to have never used a foldable phone before, so this situation was likely staged by OnePlus. I would never think this would be staged in any way possible. I mean, clearly, she just wanted to utilize the OnePlus Open, even if she never in her life has ever used a foldable cell phone. She just said, hey, listen, I just want to go buy a cell phone that, is unreleased because that makes perfect sense. And that's what she did. So, yes, this is the OnePlus Open. And to be honest, that camera on the back, it looks like it's a 4 camera slot, like a 4, cameras here. That is massive. Now, we already knew about this and the design of this because it's going to be the Oppo Find N3 remastered pretty much, marketed. But holy crap, that camera is huge. All of us who complained about the Surface Zero 2's camera bump, that is massive. I mean, it's pretty much the back of the phone. And we also, it looks like we have a flash in the left-hand corner here, which is also really interesting. And then when it is actually open, we're not getting a good angle of it, but the front screen obviously very much, resembles a Find N2 or a Google Pixel Fold just like this. But holy crap, that phone it's massive. It's very, very massive. Is it? Okay, hang on. Let's see. She's holding the phone, be like this, right? I mean, I have big hands, so that phone looks massive. That phone definitely looks massive. We know it has a bigger inside display than the Google Pixel Fold and the Z Fold series. I think it has an 8-inch inside display. But let's see. So this is me holding the Google Pixel Fold. Just like that. I mean, I guess it's not really that massive. I'm trying to, do the exact orientation she has it in. It's like that. I guess it's not really that massive. I mean, it's bigger than, obviously, the Z Fold and the Google Pixel, but it's not, insanely massive where you look at it and you're like, oh my gosh. That's everything. But no, it looks beautiful. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'll be honest with you, OnePlus, I'm probably going to buy this phone. You probably already have a customer in me to buy this cell phone because of how beautiful it truly looks. And, with how successful this could be, this again could be what pushes this market forward, push this industry forward toward more of a, foldable phone future, which is successful and doesn't have problems and actually looks good and, really is a positive thing. So I hope the OnePlus Open completely takes off and does amazing. And again, like I said, we just kind of have to wait for this phone to come out because at this moment in time, this phone was supposed to come out at the end of August. Now it's the end of September. There's rumors of it coming out in early October, mid-October, late October. There's so many rumors and questions. I know there's problems, and the reason why they're not releasing it yet is not only because of the fact that, obviously Oppo Find 3 has to release first, and then they go globally, but it's also because there's a problem with, I think, was it Motorola, when it comes to them and Oppo having a long-term issue. There was an agreement they had, and Oppo recently did not, redo the agreement. So there's all these problems legally on why this phone is being delayed. They also switched manufacturers of the inside display from, I forget who they went from, but they went to Samsung. So they went to Samsung for the inside display. That caused some delays in, creation of this phone. The phone's already going to be probably $1,500, so cheaper than a Pixel Fold or a Z Fold series. So now Samsung is going crazy, lowering their prices of their Z Fold devices. And everyone who did not buy a Z Fold or Google Pixel Fold is sitting here waiting, like, when is this phone going to be released? Because we're all waiting for this phone, right? So, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.